So he's turned his sights on me. But here's what tipped it off. So one night
Mm-hmm.
we're I don't know, we're watching TV or something.
Yep, yep, yep,
And we're talking, and I don't remember what we were talking about, but his mother was tired of him making fun of her. And he goes, okay, well, I'll just make fun of dad for a while. And then
mm-hmm.
the first thing out of his mouth was, you ever notice how dad sounds like a cartoon character all the time? And he'll be like,
Okay.
you ask him a question, he'll go, yeah. Oh. And he starts making all these funny noises like that.